The best do-it-yourself cleaning solution for water-cleanable upholstery is a simple mixture of 1 cup rubbing alcohol, 1 cup water, and a few drops of Dawn dish soap, tested first on an inconspicuous area. For routine maintenance, start by vacuuming the upholstery with the upholstery attachment to remove loose dirt and grit that will abrade fabric when you clean. Mix 1 cup rubbing alcohol and 1 cup water in a spray bottle. Add 2 to 3 drops of Dawn dish soap and gently agitate to combine. Rubbing alcohol evaporates quickly, so you will not overwet the fabric. Always test the solution on a hidden seam or under a cushion by spraying a small amount, blotting with a white cloth, and waiting 10 minutes to check for color transfer or damage. To clean, lightly mist the stained area, then blot with a clean white cloth using an outward motion from the stain edge to avoid spreading. For stubborn spots, use a soft bristled brush to lift dirt, working gently and re-blotting frequently. Avoid saturating the padding to prevent mildew and odor. Finish by allowing the piece to air dry fully, and if needed, speed drying with a fan pointing across the fabric rather than into the cushions. Common mistakes include overwetting the upholstery, which soaks the padding and causes odors and mildew. Prevent this by misting lightly and blotting rather than saturating. Another frequent issue is color bleeding when cleaners are used without testing. Always perform a spot test and wait at least 10 minutes before proceeding. A third problem is using harsh cleaners or too much soap, which can leave sticky residue attracting more dirt. Use only a couple of drops of Dawn dish soap in the measured mixture and rinse or blot away excess with plain water if residue remains. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project ideas and budgeting guidance that relate directly to upholstery care and small home maintenance. We host a discussion community where our members share real-world tips, ask questions, and post before and after experiences, so both homeowners and contractors can find useful leads and practical advice.